نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 44. In this lesson we will be learning some more ayah of the Quran. So far we have studied 5 the beginning ayah of Baqarah. So inshallah we will be studying or learning 5 more ayahs of the Quran from Surah Baqarah. And many of the grammar rules we have studied, and probably few words we don't know. So inshallah by learning these we will know the words too. So try to memorize these meanings. Once you memorize them, it will stay inshallah. Whenever you're reading them, reciting them in your prayers, or whenever in any form, in any place, you would know the meaning of them. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم إن الذين كفروا, indeed those who disbelieved, سواء, it is the same, عليهم, on them, أأنذرتهم, whether you warn them. Here the Hamza, you see 2 Hamzas, and anzar is the fi'l and the other Hamza is for asking a question. So anzartuhum, it's like asking a question, whether you warn them, am lam tunzirhum, or you don't warn them, la yu'minun, they will not believe. So is or, lam not, tunzirhum you warn them, la yu'minun, they will not believe. So this is fi'l mudari and also fi'l mudari. yu'minun yaf'alun. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala further says, Khatamallahu ala qulubihim wa ala sam'ihim. Khatama is to seal something. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has dhamma, so Allah is the fa'il, and qulubihim and sam'ihim is the maf'ul. So khatamallahu ala qulubihim, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has set a seal, ala qulubihim, on their hearts, wa ala sam'ihim, and on their hearings. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala set a seal on their hearts and on their hearings. وَعَلَىٰ أَبْصَارِهِمْ غِشَاوَةٌ, and on their أَبْصَارِهِمْ, their vision. غِشَاوَة is a veil. وَعَلَىٰ أَبْصَارِهِمْ, and on their vision. غِشَاوَة is a veil. وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ, and for lam is harf jar, وَلَهُمْ, and for them is عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ, a great punishment. عظيم, great. عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ, punishment. عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ, this is sifat and mawsuf, if you remember the grammar rule. And further Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, this was about the kuffar, that no matter if you warn them or you don't warn them, they will never believe. So now this is starts about munafiqeen. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَنْ يَقُولُ آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ وَبِالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ, and min is huruf jar, مِنَ النَّاسِ, from people, مَنْ يَقُولُ, so, and there are from the people, مَنْ يَقُولُ, who says آمَنَّا, we have believed, فعل ماضي, يقول فعل مضارع. بالله, on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وباليوم الآخر, or we believe in and on the day of Akhirah. Billahi, amanna billahi, and we have believed in Allah. وباليوم الآخر, and in the day of Akhirah. وما هم بمؤمنين, and they are not believers, or they don't believe. يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا. يخادعون الله. Here if you see the Allah, the ha of Allah has fatha. That means it's not fa'il, it's maf'ul. So يخادعون, they are deceiving Allah. وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, and those who are believers, or those who believed. آمَنوا is past tense, believed. So they are deceiving Allah as maf'ul, they are fa'il. وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, and those who believed. وَمَا يَخْدَعُونَ إِلَّا أَنفُسَهُمْ وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ, and they do not deceive except أنفسهم, themselves. وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ, and they do not aware of this, or they are not aware of this. شعر يشعر is something that you are aware of. So they are not aware of. They think they are deceiving Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the Muslims, but in reality they are deceiving themselves, and they don't know, and they are not aware of it. So وَمَا يَخْدَعُونَ إِلَّا أَنفُسَهُمْ وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ, and they do not deceive except إِلَّا أَنفُسَهُمْ, themselves. وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ, and they are not aware of it. Further, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says about them, في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا. في قلوبهم, في حرف جر, في قلوبهم, and in their hearts. We don't translate them word by word. In hearts there. So في قلوبهم, in their hearts. Maradun is disease. فزادهم الله مرضا. Again, if you look, the ha of Allah is Dhamma, that means Allah is the fa'il. فزادهم الله مرضا. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increased their disease. فزادهم الله. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, zada is increase. Zad past tense. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increased their disease. وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ بِمَا كَانُوا يَكْذِبُونَ. وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ, and for them is عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ, painful punishment. Mawsu sifat, painful punishment. We translate it from the back. عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ, painful punishment. بِمَا كَانُوا يَكْذِبُونَ. Bima is telling us why they were doing. Bima, and because كانوا يكذبون, they used to lie. Kadhib, kadhib, the liar. So kadhaba is fi'al, mean lying. So bima كانوا يكذبون, they used to lie. I don't know if I have studied the kana. I think we have not studied. So inshallah next lesson we'll study when kana comes with مضارع, it gives you the meaning of used to. It takes it in the past and past continuous. بما كانوا يكذبون, they used to lie. So inshallah in the next lesson we will study the kana. So it's 5 ayahs. So inshallah we'll study some more. Inshallah, slowly we'll try to finish Quran if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the tawfiq. So try to study them, especially Quran now, because you're on Quran, you have to memorize the meaning. So once you memorize the meaning, even if you recite it while reciting Quran, I mean by looking at the Quran or reciting it in your prayers, you will understand the meaning, and this is one way to bring khushu in your salah. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to understand Quran. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the knowledge of Quran. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the nur of Quran. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to act upon Quran. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to spread the word of Quran. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.